Hello and welcome to Lasa. Today we'll be assembling our CASA 6ST book. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For step 1, we'll be needing 2 parts of C, 2 parts of D, as well as 4 parts of our number 3. Let's go ahead and show you how to assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts of our B and 8 parts of our number 2 screws, 4 for each side, as well as our Allen key. Let's go ahead and show you how to assemble now. Please note, on parts B and C, we have these additional holes here on the sides. It's critical that you install them on the same side, otherwise you won't be able to assemble the rear back brace at a later stage. Let's go ahead now and install. We're going to do the same for the other side. For our next step, we'll be needing 6 parts A, our boards, as well as 24 number 1 self-tapping screws and the Allen key. We'll go ahead now and show you how to assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing our part E as well as 4 of our number 2 screws and the Allen key. We'll show you now how to assemble. For our last but optional step, you can use number 5 to mount to the product against the wall. This is an anti-tipping step. Please refer to the manual for installation. Thank you for watching our product assembly of our Casa 6ST book. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and product reviews. Thank you.